Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Smita T. I blog at smilingcolors.com. You can also find me as The Shiny Nest on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the new Tombow USA VIP Club Kit. I'm so excited to see what's inside. I haven't seen it yet. So come unbox with me. So inside the big box, there was another small box, so you'll probably receive this one. And when you open the box, the first thing you see is a card. And then there's always a pamphlet included. And this pamphlet just shows you what's there inside the box and gives you some examples and how you can use it as well. So in this month's box, they have the new Fudenosuke COLORS. These are brush pens, the smaller brush pens, and they come now in 10 colors. Other than that, they've also included the mono drawing pens. These are my favorite pens. I love drawing with them. And they've included all three sizes, 01, 03, and 05. Other than that, the third item in this month's box is the new dot grid journal. It has a 90-gram bright white paper and has 160 dot grid pages. Let's open it and see. These are the mono drawing pens. They come in 3 thicknesses, 01, 03, and 05. I love using all 3 of them together in my drawings and illustrations. The next thing, and this is something all of us have been waiting for, is the 10 colors of Fudenosuke pens. So there are 10 colors included in this pack. So let me show you how the Fudenosuke pens work. I'm going to use these first on this Rhodia paper pad. This is a marker pad and it's really smooth, and that prevents your pens from fraying. And the last thing in the box is a dot grid journal. It says create your best work in gold on top, which is just simply beautiful. I'll open it and show you here. You can see the pages are nice and bright white, and I love how the gold looks on top of the aqua color. This is my favorite color right now, and it's a linen cover, so you can see the texture of the fabric, and I love that too. So this is not my first unboxing video of the Tombow VIP Club. I love their boxes. They have fun stuff, they're always unique, and always they have one product that is not readily available in the US market. So they include something new in each and every box. And in this box, the grid journal is absolutely new, as well as the Fudenosuke pens. In rainbow color, how pretty, right? And if you liked what you saw, make sure to stop by my blog, click around, see everything, and then you can make a purchase. These are just one-time purchase boxes, it's not a subscription. So thanks so much for spending some crafty time with me today, friends. I'll see you again soon. Till then, happy crafting!